Slidell Picture Window experts offer top-notch residential window services, ensuring your home is equipped with the best picture window installation options available. Our team specializes in energy-efficient windows, providing Slidell residents with custom window designs that enhance both aesthetics and functionality. Whether you're looking for window frame replacement or insulated glass units, our Slidell custom window solutions cater to all your needs, including picture windows. Slidell. For those seeking window glass installation in Slidell, our skilled technicians are ready to address any issues, from minor cracks to complete window seal replacement. We understand the importance of maintaining your home's energy efficiency, which is why we offer Slidell double-pane window installation and window weatherproofing services. Our window maintenance services in Slidell ensure your windows remain in optimal condition year-round, including picture windows. Slidell. Home window upgrades in Slidell are made easy with our comprehensive window replacement consultation services. We provide detailed window measurement services to guarantee a perfect fit for your new windows. Our Slidell window style options include a variety of designs to match your home's unique character, while our window hardware replacement services ensure smooth operation and security for picture windows. Slidell. Window leak installation in Slidell is crucial for preventing water damage and maintaining your home's integrity. Our experts are equipped to handle any window sash replacement needs, ensuring a tight seal and proper function. For those interested in window tinting services, we offer solutions that enhance privacy and reduce glare, making your home more comfortable with picture windows. Slidell. Slidell window condensation solutions are available to address moisture issues that can lead to mold and damage. Our window noise reduction services help create a peaceful indoor environment by minimizing outside disturbances. We also offer window security features to enhance the safety of your home, giving you peace of mind when installing picture windows. Slidell. Window cleaning services in Slidell are essential for maintaining the appearance and longevity of your windows. Our team provides thorough cleaning to remove dirt and grime, ensuring your windows look their best. With our Slidell window installation warranty, you can trust that your investment is protected and that our work meets the highest standards for picture windows. Slidell. For those in need of window screen installation in Slidell, we offer durable and stylish options to keep pests out while allowing fresh air in. Our Slidell window maintenance services include regular inspections and installations to keep your windows functioning efficiently. Whether you need window leak installation or window sash replacement, our team is here to help with picture windows. Slidell. Slidell window frame services are designed to enhance the structural integrity and appearance of your windows. Our experts provide window hardware replacement to ensure your windows operate smoothly and securely. With our Slidell window weatherproofing services, you can protect your home from the elements and improve energy efficiency with picture windows. Slidell. Insulated glass units in Slidell are a popular choice for homeowners looking to improve energy efficiency and reduce noise. Our Slidell window condensation solutions address common issues that can lead to foggy windows and decreased performance. We also offer window noise reduction services to create a more serene living environment featuring picture windows. Slidell. For top-notch residential window services in Slidell, look no further than our expert team. We specialize in picture window installation, ensuring your home benefits from both aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency. Our Slidell picture window experts are dedicated to providing custom window designs that meet your specific needs, including picture windows. Slidell. Upgrade your home with energy-efficient windows in Slidell, designed to reduce energy costs and improve indoor comfort. Our Slidell custom window solutions include double-pane windows and insulated glass units, perfect for maintaining optimal temperature and reducing noise. Trust our Slidell window frame services for seamless window frame replacement and window seal replacement, ideal for picture windows. Slidell. Experience superior window maintenance services in Slidell, including window glass installation and window leak installation. Our team offers comprehensive window weatherproofing and window condensation solutions to protect your home from the elements. With our window screen installation and window hardware replacement services, your picture windows Slidell will function flawlessly and look great. Enhance your home's security and privacy with our window tinting services and window security features in Slidell. Our window noise reduction solutions ensure a peaceful indoor environment, while our window cleaning services keep your windows sparkling. Benefit from our window installation warranty and window replacement consultation for peace of mind when choosing picture windows Slidell. Choose from a wide range of window style options in Slidell, tailored to suit your home's architecture and personal taste. Our Slidell window style options include everything from traditional to modern designs, ensuring a perfect match for your home. With our window sash replacement and window measurement services, you can be confident in the precision and quality of picture windows Slidell. For reliable residential window replacement in Slidell, our team is your go-to source. We offer comprehensive Slidell window maintenance services, including window leak installation and window sash replacement, to keep your windows in top condition. Our Slidell window condensation solutions and window noise reduction services ensure a comfortable and quiet home environment with picture windows Slidell. Trust our Slidell window glass installation and window seal replacement services to restore your window's functionality and appearance. Our Slidell double-pane window installation and insulated glass units provide superior energy efficiency and noise reduction. With our Slidell window weatherproofing and window screen installation, your home will be well protected against the elements with picture windows Slidell. Our Slidell window installation warranty and window replacement consultation services offer peace of mind and expert advice. Whether you need window hardware replacement or window cleaning services in Slidell, our team is here to help. Contact us today for all your residential window services in Slidell, including picture windows Slidell and more.